New York, Reuters, U.S. President Donald Trump a Euro trademark's high-profile ouster of Secretary of State Rex Tillerson sent the U.S. dollar down slightly on Tuesday, with crude oil falling after an initial jump. Trump gave Tillerson the boot on Tuesday after a series of public rifts over policy on North Korea, Russia, and Iran, and replaced his chief diplomat with loyalist Central Intelligence Agency Director Mike Pompeo. His firing, the biggest shakeup of Trump a Euro trademark's cabinet since he took office in January 2017, was announced by the president on Twitter. Evercore ISI strategist Stan Shipley in New York called it a euro or another sign of a problem in the Trump administration a euro. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of major currencies, DXY fell 0.28%, with the euro equals up 0.52% at $1.2396. Crude oil initially jumped on the Tillerson news, with investors seeing signs that a deal on Iran a Euro trademark's nuclear program could collapse, but the trend reversed later in the day. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe. MIWD 00000 plus shed 0.06%, while the pan-European FTSE Euro First 300 stock index. FTEU3 lost 0.94%. Analysts were largely unmoved by the departure of Tillerson, the latest in a cavalcade of exits from Trump a Euro trademark's White House, and suggested its market impact could be short-lived. David Kotok, chairman of money management firm Cumberland Advisors in Sarasota, Florida, said such turnover is a euro now regularly accepted for the markets a euro. A euro I don't a euro trademark think Tillerson out and a replacement is a shock to the market that lasts very much at all a euro, Kotok said. Separately, the U.S. Labor Department announced its consumer price index rose 0.2% in February, in line with economists' a euro trademark expectations. The data suggests the Federal Reserve remains on track to raise interest rates at a gradual pace this year, which boosted some markets. U.S. crude CLCV1 fell 1.21% to $60.62 per barrel and Brent LCOCV1 was at $64.57, down 0.59%. U.S. Treasuries retraced some early losses after choppy trading following the news on Tillerson. Benchmark 10-year notes US 10YT equals RR last rose 4/30 seconds in price to yield 2.8554%, from 2.87% late on Monday. The consumer price data seemed to offset any negative impact of the Tillerson ouster on U.S. stocks, with Wall Street seesawing slightly in morning trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) rose 11.13 points, or 0.04%, to 25,189.74, the S&P 500. SPX lost 2.28 points, or 0.08%, to 2,780.74 and the Nasdaq Composite. IXIC dropped 32.05 points, or 0.42%, to 7,556.28. European stocks fell across the board, with some analysts suggesting Tillerson a Euro trademark's departure fueled concerns that extremists are gaining influence in Trump a Euro trademark's administration. Investec economist Philip Shaw pointed to fears that the move a euro will give the nationalists greater power within the White House over the globalists a euro. Emerging market stocks rose 0.26%. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan. MIFJ 0000 plus closed 0.22% higher, while Japan's Nikkei. N225 rose 0.66%.